Should not use this product. Individuals with history of photosensitive epilepsy. If you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding or lactating individuals. CUEME LED light therapy max. So we're going to unbox it together. Right here is a therapy max. This right here. Who should not use this product? Individuals with history of photosensitive epilepsy. If you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding or lactating individuals. People diagnosed with lupus, erythematosus, photosensitive eczema or albinism. So if you're an albino, do not use. Anyone with photosensitivity, abnormal skin sensitivity to light, do not use it. If you're taking medications that may cause photosensitivity, including certain antibiotics like tetracyclines, chemotherapy drugs, diuretics, if you're taking Lexis, do not use. If you're taking retinoids or acne medication, do not use. When in doubt, consult your healthcare provider about your medication. So it's all written here. Water and heat hazard. Never use near water. Do not use near water. Sink, bathtubs. Do not put it on and go into the sink. Let's see why you should use this mask. I think it's also written there. This LED light therapy mask features 8 modes, each designed to effectively improve skin conditions. It promotes collagen regeneration, stimulates metabolism, enhance skin elasticity, and brighten skin tone. Look at that. Then the other one is it enhances blood circulation and tissue repair, reduces skin aging, improves fine lines and sagging skin. It's a lot. I mean, it combats acne, reduces inflammation, controls oil secretion, minimizes pores, and repairs sensitive skin. It alleviates skin pigmentation issues and improves dull, yellowish skin. It suits the skin, gradually enhances cellular energy, and promotes metabolic activity. It reduces skin oil secretion, effectively drains lymph, and reduces facial edema. I don't know how possible this will reduce facial edema, but if you have like edema swelling, you should see a doctor. But if you think this would help edema, as I've said here, facial edema, don't quote me, please. This is what is written here. Do not quote me. This is what is written here, that it helps facial edema. And the last one here says improves skin roughness and wrinkles, alleviates redness and sunburn, suits the skin, and gently promotes collagen production. So go through it, go through everything in here before you start using. So it also shows how to install it. Okay, 2 of this. I'm gonna put this. And this one is gonna come here. Okay, so when it goes around your head, you just kind of like put it like this. So this is how it's gonna stay on your head. And this is the control here. So you plug it in here like this. That's it. Long press to turn on and off. You see that? So it's on. And then what else? Long press to turn it on, and then short press to toggle between 5 minutes and 10 minutes. So short press. So you can see 10 minutes is showing here, and then short press 5 minutes to RL. RL is red. So R there is promote collagen regeneration. So if you are the person that wants your collagen to be regenerated, RL is for you. Everything you need is here. So if I go to NIL, is to enhance blood circulation. You want blood circulation and you want it to repair your tissue, go to NIL. If you want BL, which is the blue, I already said it combat acne. If you want OL, OL is the green there. It alleviates skin pigmentation issues and improve dull, yellowing skin. If you want PL, it reduces skin inflammation, fades dark spots, stimulates collagen production, and gives skin a firmer, more radiant appearance. Next is IL. IL suits the skin, gradually enhances cellular energy, and promotes metabolic activity. If you want GL, GL is reduces skin oil secretion. If you're someone who is always oily, skin oil, every time oil, the cream is for you. Then YL is improves skin roughness and wrinkles, alleviates redness and sunburn, suits the skin, and gently promotes collagen production. So it adds everything. So whichever one you want to use. So this morning I think I want to use let's start with the RL. Promotes collagen regeneration. So I'm going to turn it off. Go ahead and I'm gonna start with pressing it on, long press. I'm gonna do RL. That's it. Do the minutes. Think we have 1 more minute here. All right, guys. Think I'm done. Okay. Wow. You have to use it 3 times a week. So this is good. It says do not wipe with alcohol-based products. Just wipe with a mild disinfecting wipes, and that's it. And then, well, this is awesome. I think you can charge it. It came with an extra USB cord here. Yeah. So all I just have to do is just insert it here and put it in those little charger head. Just insert it and charge this one. This is awesome, and I think my pro tip is to start on the lowest minutes, like 5 minutes, as you saw me do. Start with that and see how you. It was not, there was no heat at all. It was just so soft and gentle on my skin. And the other thing I would have recommended for this product is it would have been great if it beeped when the time is out. I mean, that way you know, okay, you're done. I mean, when the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever minutes you put it, is done. Just give it like a beep telling you it is done. So I'd like a step ahead if they would just, have that as a product improvement for the next production or something. That would have just been perfect. Other than that, this product is awesome. It is amazing. I feel like soothing, like it's so cute. So this is CUEME right here. It is sold by CUEME face mask, and the link to this product is going to be on the video description. So go ahead and grab that link and get one for yourself. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Momandprettyimisi. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.